Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a speed duel video again. And also Archetype duels are coming back. We'll be doing those again in a couple of days. I gotta check my schedule. That's another thing. I have made a schedule and I'm going to start not doing random videos whenever. I'm gonna actually have a schedule for each one of these videos. So Monday we're going to be doing speed duels, which is today. Tuesday is archetype duels. Wednesday is structure deck, star decks. Thursday is structure decks. Friday old school. Saturday duel links, and then Sunday will not be this. Sunday will not be discussions. It will be customs. If I need a discussion video, I will do it. Or if a new Forbidden Eliminator list comes out, I will skip the video for that day and then make a ban list video or do 2 videos in a day or whatever. So this is our schedule right here. So anyway, today speed duels. I'm waiting for my wife to log in so we can start. So anyway, 3 blue eyes white dragon, 3 tyrant dragon, 3 lord of D, 3 spirit kuribo, 3 Blue Summoning Dragon, Double Twister, and 3 Champions Vigilance. For the extra deck, we run 2 Arcanine Jokers and then 3 Blue Eyes Ultimate. You can't make either one of these because we don't play Poly. But it's just so people don't know what we're playing. So we pay an extra deck so they don't know. My wife is logged in, so it's time to duel. Get your game on. I told him. He got really pissed at me. Because I was playing a burn deck.
What's a duel deck? Are you ready?
Uh-huh. I am hosting.
No, I'm not.
Saying no, I'm not hosting. Yes, I am. I'm looking at it. Y'all looking at it. I'm hosting. Good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah, I'll go first. This is the best out of 3, even though it really doesn't have to be. I wonder what skill she's playing. I can't tell. There's no way I can tell. Because there's no good skill for this deck. I'm being sarcastic, obviously. So you can only use one effect, you can't use both. Okay. 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 I have a feeling that this is going to be a very familiar field. Okay. Speaking of Spy Kids 9000, I actually got a message from him, honey. Okay. 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 I have a feeling she opened better than I.
That's not nice.
No, it's not, is it? That's Spear Kuribo. Could have crashed with both. 19. No, 29. That's how much? 17, I think. That's a lot of damage. Talk about I'm not nice. You just did freaking 1700 damage. I'm gonna attack the blue eyes because I do not want to have a 3k beat stick. Honestly, I was afraid of having a Spear Kuribo. I actually should have summoned that. I could have destroyed Lord of D. Also can't wait for Destiny to come out. It's gonna be so good against Blue Eyes. You get like Destiny in the end phase. Like, okay.
Okay.
Just so I can get rid of her field. Although she has way more cards than I do, so I am not liking this. Not at all. This card really sucks against Blue Eyes. Oh well. So there is no side deck rules. So there's no side deck, so. This is getting kind of boring, don't you think? Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to change that one. I thought you were going to attack with Blue Eyes. Now you know what is in my hand. Damn it. Oops. Yeah, I expected her to attack with Blue Eyes. Are you gonna attack? Good game.
I had a Spear Kuribo in my hand.
I drew Flute. I had Tyrant Dragon in my hand. Okay. 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 Ugh. No more something good? Okay. Okay.
You always do that.
I used to always join the windstorm, and she hates windstorm quata, or whatever it's called. Really? Mwah ha 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 ha. Good game. I just couldn't get to my monsters. I had one too. All back was pretty much the same thing.
I could have negated it.
I know.
Not man.
Good game. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe and anything can comment below. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. This is TheJinzo. So now, bye.